Hello everyone. Uh, in this session of Microsoft Office Word, basically I'm tackling users of Microsoft Office Word, and this Office Word we're going to look at basically some those are the simple part of Microsoft Office Word. Since it is a first lecture, we're just going to understand how we can open up a folder, how you can open up Microsoft Office Word, how you can save your document, and among others. Basically, we're going to introduce this Microsoft Office Word. Microsoft Office Word. Before the advent of computers, typewriters were used to create text documents such as letters and examinations in schools. When computers arrived, things changed, and people started using the word processing software installed in computers to create high quality documents. With word processor, one can make changes to a document without having to retype it afresh, as one would have to do with typewriter. Typing makes typing mistakes are not more easily corrected using word processor than when using a typewriter. So we are basically this is we are saying that before the introduction of this machine for we at first we were using a text writers or typewriters which were very slow, but this one is now it's a powerful one, and you can edit your document whatever the way you want. So Microsoft Office Word, this is the process of creating, manipulating text using a word processing software. The software that enables one to create and manipulate text is that known as word processor. Examples of word processors include Corel Word Perfect, Microsoft Word, Google Documents, and among others. When you open up Microsoft Office Word, you will find tabs like the File tab, the Insert tab, Design, Review, and among others, of which we are going to be looking at practically. So first and foremost, what we are going to do is I want us to open up our folder, the one we are going to be saving our work to. So what I need to do is I right click on my mouse, I come to new, then I go to folder, then I put my folder name. For example, let me put maybe for example information information technology information technology technology. So that is my folder. So when I open my folder right now, it is blank. My folder now it is still blank. My folder is blank, still very blank. But I want to open up Microsoft PowerPoint. So I'll go to new. I have to opening up my folder. I just click on new. I come to new. So these are the applications already available. But for me, I want Microsoft Office Word. So what is already here? What I click on it. Then I rename. I want to rename it. I want to rename this one. I want to rename it, for example, as my registration number. Or let me put the name of my institute. So I'll put, depending on how you have been told to save your file. So that is my file name. So let me open up. So already it has given me a blank one. So I will just start up from here. So for example, I want to put some information on this word. Let me put, for example, let me divide. Okay, let's talk about the current situation. For example, I want 100 people, maybe road accidents in Uganda. So the current, so let me put my topic as road accidents, 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 Uganda, Uganda. So that is my topic, my title. So I need to, that's my title. So down I put maybe courses, courses, courses of accidents, accidents. What are the causes of accidents? I have maybe overspeeding, overspeeding, overspeeding by drivers, overspeeding. Next one is drinking while driving, drinking. So let me assume these are the major causes. Then also let me put poor road network, road network. Some of our roads are very poor. Let me put like that. So, for example, that's last time I have already to how to use most of the keys, the keyboard, how to use a mouse. So straight away we are going to look at the tabs. So I will come to the first tab, which is a file tab. So this file tab will enable us to create a new one, how to open, how to save our file, how to save our file, how to print, share, export. But basically we are going to what we are going to basically dwell on is save as, print, export, and also save. Then I come to home. These other tabs enable us to make designs in our document, for example, and do a number of editings and all what have you. So when I come to the home tab, I have the paste option, I have a bold, but most of them we are going to do it practically. For example, I want to copy and paste. So first and foremost, I want to create a blank page. So I come to insert. I go to blank page. So this is my blank page. First, what I want to do, I want to copy the topic, the title. I want to copy the title, my title. So I want to copy my title, road accidents. So I come and highlight this one. So right. So how to highlight is I just left click on my mouse. Then I move my hand without releasing. I drag it to other side. Then after, I want to copy this. So I will come to file. I will come to home. Come to home. After highlighting, I click on copy. After copying, I come to the blank page. After copying, and I come to the blank page, I come to home. I come and paste. This is the paste option. I come and paste. It's already there. It reduces hard time on going and adding again, retexting it. Just go and copy and paste. So we have known how we can copy and paste. We have known how to open up a blank page. So the next one is we are going to learn how all these icons perform, what they do. For example, but in Microsoft Office Word, most majorly make sure your work's highlighted. We are still, I want us to use this information. This point is for causes of accidents. I highlight, I come to home, I want to bold it. Then also I want to utilize, I want to underline, but I want a double underline. I will select that one. I want to strike through. See there, it changes. Also, I want to change the font type. The font type I want to put Arial Black. That's the font type Arial Black. You have seen that it has changed. Okay, I also want to change the font size. I want to put 20. This one is enable us to increase or decrease, decrease, and increase the font size. This one is when I want to change the case. For example, I want to put it in capitalizing each word, or I want to put it in uppercase. All of them, you see, it has changed automatic. So this is a text highlight color. You can see what has happened. If I want to number or I want to put bullets, just come to click. I put on bullets. And this one too needs also bullets. I need bullets also. So I come here, put on bullets. I click, put on bullets. Then these are alignments. Now we are in left alignment. When I want to put in center alignment, I want to put in justified alignment, depending on the one you have highlighted. So for example, I want all of them to be right alignment. So I will highlight all of them. Just come to home, come to right alignment. See, it has gone there. Then I want to increase the indent. I can, or decrease. So when I have highlighted, so I come to line spacing, depending on the one you have been asked. These are borders. So this is how you want to set, or the set can arrange your work either in ascending order, descending order. Then after I come to insert, this is the insert tab, where we shall have the cover page, the blank page of which we already used, a table. So for example, let me go to this slide, this page 2. I go to home, I go to insert, I want a cover page. These are cover pages we have. So I select this one. This is the cover page. I can just come and edit and use it in my document. Okay. So that's assuming that's the cover page. I can just edit this one. I remove what I don't want. I put mine like that. I can remove that one. I put mine just like that. Just like that. I come to insert still. There are number of icons. I can come to insert, but I want my table here. I want my table there.